Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a get unready with me. So I'll be sharing with you guys how I get unready, and the first thing I do is of course take off my makeup when I get home. So to do this I use the Lifetrons CMD100. So it looks something like this. It has these silicone bristles on the front, and this is my facial cleanser that I use every single day to take off my makeup. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the results from using the CMD100 versus using just my hands. So I'm going to be washing half of my face with my hands and the other half with the cleanser. So let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to share with you guys kind of how I use this. So basically the power button is right here, so I'm just going to press that and hold it. And as you can see, it's going to put it in setting 3, which is going to be the blue. So if you want to lower the intensity, you would just press the minus sign right here. It's going to give you the turquoise color. And then if you want to do it again, it's going to give you the green, which is going to be more gentle. And of course, if you want to increase it, you have the pink, which is the strong setting. And then the orange red, which is the very strong setting. So it's really up to you how you want to use this. I'm going to go ahead and use kind of the medium. So I'm going to be using the blue setting that it comes with originally, and I'm going to be using my favorite cleanser to help kind of foam up my face, and you're going to add cleanser and water. So let's go ahead and do that. So first I'm just washing my face with my hand. And I'll be doing the other side with the cleanser. So I just washed half of my face with my hand. So now I'm going to use the cotton swab to kind of give a little test, show you guys the effectiveness of washing with your hands or with the cleanser. So as you can see, there's still some makeup on the cotton swab. So now I've dipped the device in the water. Again, this is 100% waterproof, so you can use it in the shower, anywhere you want. So I'm going to press the power button. So now I washed off this side with the cleanser, so I'm just going to do another cotton swab test. And as you can see, there is no residue from the makeup. And obviously this side feels a lot more clean. It feels softer than this side. This side still feels like there's like a layer of kind of residue left on. So again, something to keep in mind. So now after I take off my makeup, I always moisturize. Again, that is so important, especially at nighttime, to kind of hydrate the skin. So what I like to use, this is the Clinique Moisturizing Gel. So I'll just take a pump, put it on the back of my hand like so. And I'm going to be using the Lifetrons device, the back side. This has the EMS technology, and this is really going to help blend in the moisturizer into my skin. So again, simply just press on the power button, and there are 2 settings, the blue and the green. And then what I'm going to do is just put on the product and now blend it in. I'll be using the head of the device and massaging upwards. So to cleanse this device, it's really simple. You just rinse it in some kind of lukewarm water and kind of just, run through it. Super easy to maintain and clean. Also, it's not recommended to use any harsh like exfoliating cleansers with this because you don't want to damage the bristles. So just keep that in mind. So the positive ion technology in this device is really going to help clear out your pores, get rid of any of that debris. So the negative ion technology in this device is going to help moisturize your skin by lifting and activating the cells to help promote and regenerate new skin cells. Next, I'm using the Lifetrons Eye Rejuvenator, and I always need a good eye cream to go along with this. Eyes always tend to get a lot of wrinkles and stuff, so I always use this. So simply what you're going to do is you're going to take off the top, you're going to press on the power button like so. And now you know it's on, and it's actually going to heat up right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold onto the sides, and this device is actually going to help make your skin more elastic. It's going to lift the eye area, make it more plump, and help promote collagen production. So I have been using this for over a month now, and I've already noticed that under my eye area has gotten smaller. I have less wrinkles, and I owe it to this. Okay, so now that the device is on, I'll be using this eye cream, and this is a firming eye cream. So you just need a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. So what I like to do is just put a little bit under my eyes like so. This is where you'll apply the Eye Rejuvenator. So now what I'm going to do is slowly just go under my eye. And you will feel that it's kind of heating up, so it's working. So this is actually using radio frequency and ion therapy to help reduce your wrinkles and really firm up your eyes. So now once you've kind of ran through your under eyes a little bit, I'm going to turn it off, and I'll be using the other side. And the other side is actually kind of like a vibration. This is going to activate, and I'm going to actually blend in the rest of the product. This is going to actually help with blood circulation and to help kind of firm your under eye area. This is going to fade any dark circles. So those are both the products that I use to get ready for the evening and get unready. Both of these products are from Lifetrons, so I highly encourage you to check them out. They are extremely high quality, they are rechargeable, they have a long-lasting battery, and they go hand in hand. This is perfect for, everyday use, whether in the morning or at night, and this I like to use at night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! So you can use my coupon code CAT 10% off to get 10% off your next order, so definitely be sure to do that. I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys to go check it out.